All right, here's your spelling test words for this week. Remember to pause the video if you need time to type it in. Make sure you type it in the correct number. All right, number 1, your word is called. Called. Have you called your grandparents today? Called. Number 2, landed. Landed. The airplane landed on the runway. Landed. Number 3, filled. Filled. I filled the bucket with water. Filled. Number 4, fixed. Fixed. My dad fixed my bike. Fixed. Number 5, camped. Camped. We camped out in my backyard. Camped. Number 6, spotted. Spotted. I spotted an owl on our hike. Spotted. Number 7, planted. Planted. We planted roses in our garden. Planted. Number 8, stopped. Stopped. We crossed the road when the car stopped. Stopped. Number 9, plugged. Plugged. Dad plugged the hole in the canoe. Plugged. Last one, number 10, blended. Blended. Mom blended together all of the fruit. Blended.